crispy pork belly is a lot easier to make than you think, especially when you learn the tips and tricks by an experienced chef like Dad. So, this is what to look for.
So you need like meat, fat, a bit of meat, and then something like this. Normally you would sort of clean out all the hairs or whatever it is.
How do you clean out the hair?
Use a Chinese cleaver just to scrape it.
Oh, scrape it to clean it. Okay. Kind of like shaving, huh?
You get a clean shave. You can hear it.
Oh yeah, hearing that the hair is coming out. Oh, there's like a little extra fat.
Extra fat, but there's not much hair.
Okay.
It's clean.
After scraping the hairs and excess fat off with a sharp Chinese cleaver, we are then going to dab the meat and the skin with a vinegar solution. So what does the vinegar do?
It cleans it.
The acidity of the vinegar also tenderizes the meat. Wow, now you are tenderizing it.
Yeah, we're pricking it with making more holes there.
So when did you first start making this?
In those days we had just a single oil, just one or two pins. Now you have like multiple pins, easier. You used to do it at home.
How old were you think?
I was so young then. Still going to school, college. We used to do it for carrying it home.
By puncturing the skin, this allows the oil to exude during baking, which crisps up the skin. Now how do you season it?
Salt.
Salt? So here's the salt. Season the skin of the pork belly with salt. The salt serves two purposes. Not only does it season, but also extracts excess moisture from the skin.
Okay. I just have to rub it in. Okay? Rub it in so it gets into the holes too.
Oh. For the meat side of the belly, generously add salt and 5-spice powder to the belly, and as Dad would say, start to massage it into the meat, like so. The pork is now ready to rest overnight on a rack in the refrigerator.
Did Daddy say why it goes in the fridge? To dry out the skin?
Oh no.
And what then usually I clip the skin here in the middle so it doesn't buckle up.
Oh, okay.
So to let the oil drain down. It curves in and the oil is in the middle.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah. So I just give the skin, it's about 1/2 inch cut. There.
Okay. So this prevents it from curling up.
Yeah, curl it up.
You can also thread kebab skewers through the slab of the pork belly to prevent it from curling up. Bake it in a 375-degree oven on a rack with water in a tray in order to keep the meat moist. This should take between 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of your pork belly, but the internal temperature should read about 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees centigrade.
Oh!
Crisp up the skin by placing it under the broiler. If oil should pool in the middle, dab it with paper towels to remove the oil and continue to crisp up the skin. You may also need to add aluminum foil strips along the edges to prevent it from burning.
Perfect. I hear the crispy sound.
You hear it? That's for grapes.
I need more for grabs.
More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!